Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Dropbox folder and share it with someone. Well, if you don't have a Dropbox, just go to any web browser and then type Dropbox here, or you can also type Dropbox download. Click this one. So it will take you directly to this page where you can download Dropbox tool. So you have to click the first link and you will see that it is now starting to download once you tap the download button or install button. Once you tap this, you have to wait for a couple of minutes and sometimes it depends on your internet. Now, Dropbox will also ask for your email for you to automatically connect your Dropbox to your Google account, but actually you can skip this part. So once you have downloaded it, you have to right click and then tap on Run as Administrator, and then wait again for a couple of minutes as it is installing. Once done, you can now open your Dropbox. To create a folder, just tap on Create a Folder, add the name of your folder right here. For example, I want to name it as Urgent. So you have to add Urgent right here and then tap on Create. Now, in order for you to share this folder, you have a few ways here. But before sharing, you can add here files, videos, photos, everything is up to you. So if you want to share your folder now, you can click this share folder and you can now add or share this by just adding people's email address here. So let's just say I want to share this to my friend Jandy. I'm going to enter her email address here and then tap on send or submit. Then they will be notified that you have invited them or you have shared a folder, and all they have to do is to open this and then view. Another way is that you can also create a link for your folder. It could be a specific or unique link or a common link. Now here you can copy this link and then share this to anyone, and also you can change the view settings. For example, if you want to change the view, or let's just say if you want this to share only for specific people, you can also set it up here. Okay, so if you want to make it as a private link or public link, you can edit it right here and then paste it anywhere. So basically, that's how easy it is to create a Dropbox folder and share it with someone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.